I found a tiny anomaly. Look. Oh, it has 2 traits. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Look at it, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Do not kill it. There you go, baby. Oh my. I want to see your badge. Oh my goodness. Taser! This is the taser where you're gonna die. Okay, but make sure you don't need no one. Hello, baby. Oh. Darn it. Hey, what do we do about it? He's so cute. Yeah, I'll send you the video. Yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all that I found the tiny anomaly with my. It's the first tiny anomaly I've seen. It is so cute. Okay? Recording. That's how I record. But I'm gonna lose my voice. Imagine that the tiny anomaly was like the void anomaly and tiny with 3 eyes and misshapen. That would be so cool, bro. But unfortunately not. Please do not mind me crashing out because of the tiny anomaly. But it was so cute, okay? Anyways, bye. I just wanted to show y'all.